In my previous video, I introduced some key phrases for making appointments. In this video, I'm going to show how to use these phrases to arrange an international online call. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to invite someone to the call. Here's an example. Sally White, who is based in California, wants to make an appointment to meet Edward Parks, who is based in the UK. And they're going to meet online. Hello, Black Supermarket, Edward Park speaking. Hi, Edward, it's Sally here from Sunshine Desserts. Hi, Sally, it's good to hear from you again. How are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm calling because we've got some new ice cream products that I think would be perfect for your supermarket. It would be great to have an online call so I can tell you more about it. Other phrases that Sally could use are, I was wondering if we could have an online call so I can tell you more about it. Would you be interested in having an online call so I can tell you more about it? Why don't we have an online call so I can tell you more about it? How about having an online call so I can tell you more about it? If Edward agrees to the online call, then they need to decide on a date. Often, one person starts by suggesting a range of dates, such as 1 week, or a few dates to choose from, and then they can narrow it down to just one day. Sure, I'm a little busy for the next 2 weeks, but how about sometime the week starting the 18th? Other phrases he could use are, is sometime the week starting the 18th convenient for you or good for you? Are you available or free sometime the week starting the 18th? Does sometime the week starting the 18th work for you? How are you for sometime the week starting the 18th? If Sally is free during the week starting the 18th, she can say something like, yes, I'm free then, or available then. Yes, that's convenient for me, or good, fine, okay for me. Yes, that works for me. Sounds good. So if this week is okay for Sally, then she can suggest one day from this week. Sounds good. How are you for Tuesday 19th? She could also say, how about Tuesday 19th? Is Tuesday the 19th convenient, good, fine, okay for you? Are you available or free on Tuesday the 19th? Does Tuesday 19th work for you? If Tuesday the 19th is not good for Edward, he can suggest another date. I'm a little busy on the 19th. Is there any chance you can do Wednesday the 20th? He could also say, sorry, Tuesday doesn't work for me. Is there any chance we could meet on Wednesday? Sorry, I have meetings all day. How about Wednesday 20th? Unfortunately, I have something else on that day. Could we make it for Wednesday 20th? I'm afraid I'm not free then. Are you available on Wednesday the 20th? Tuesday the 19th is a little difficult for me. Can we do Wednesday the 20th? If Sally is okay with this, then they both need to agree on a time. Yes, Wednesday is fine for me. Does 2 p.m. work for you? Let me see. You're in California, so you're 8 hours behind me. 2 p.m. your time is 10 p.m. my time. That's a little late for me. Can we make it earlier? How about 6 p.m. London time, 10 a.m. California time? Sally and Edward are in different time zones, so they have to be very careful to make sure that the meeting time is convenient for both of them. Some useful phrases for this. You're in California, so you're 8 hours behind me. I'm in London, so I'm 8 hours ahead of you. 2 p.m. your time is 10 p.m. my time. 2 p.m. California time is 10 p.m. London time. It's always a good idea to check the time difference. There are some useful websites and apps which let you do this. And once you've agreed on a date and time, you can decide how you're going to meet. That's fine for me. So that's 6 p.m. London time on Wednesday the 20th. Is Zoom okay for you? I don't have Zoom installed. Is Teams okay? No problem at all. I'll email you a Teams meeting link. I look forward to seeing you. Some more useful phrases that Edward could use in this situation are Teams is more convenient for me. I don't have Zoom on my work computer. My company doesn't use Zoom. Does Teams work for you? Can you use Teams? Okay, that's all for today's video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to show how to cancel and reschedule a meeting. Good luck with your English studies and see you next time.